So one of the things you can do to customize a post beyond what the blocks usually allow is to edit HTML after you use the block. So for instance, here's just a regular paragraph block and I'm going to create a link. So I'll just link somewhere. And it creates it in a standard color. There's really nothing I can do. I can't really change very much about what goes on with this link here. So I only have the ability to open it in a new tab. But what if I want to change the color there or make it bold or do something else? Well, you do have the ability to edit HTML. So you can actually edit this block in HTML. It converts it to HTML and it's pretty simple HTML if you've ever used it. You just have your paragraph. At the beginning and the end you have your link and you could do what you want in here. So for instance, I could go and just add a style equals and then do say font weight, bold. We can do color and we can change it to red and close the style there. So we've added that style. So now we can go back to edit visually and you can see it retains the changes. There it's bold and it's red. It doesn't go out of the block. It doesn't give us an error now. Oh, I can't do this as a block. It has to be HTML. I can continue to write here in block mode. So that's a great way to customize without having a ton of controls. You can add any kind of styles you want. You can do all sorts of different things with, I could just create a span here. Make this word bold as well. And just close the span and go back to editing visually. You can see that works. So you can use spans, you can use styles inside of things like tags. You could just use regular tags there. So I could use strong instead of B for bold. So you do have the ability to do that. So on the one hand, it makes it far more versatile to be able to use blocks when you know you can do little edits like this in HTML. And it gives you the full range of HTML. So it's not like if there were like 6 different buttons that said you can bold, you can do italics, you can do a color. You can do just about anything that you can do in HTML just by using a style tag and a span or something like that. It is very useful, very versatile, but also is a good reason that you should learn some basic HTML even if you rarely use it. If you only want to use it in cases like this, it's worth knowing the basics of CSS and HTML today, even though you may just be working in blocks most of the time and not actually need to use it.